In today's ever-changing technological environment, graduate colleges and universities face the challenge of managing a vast range of industry and technology-related programs. Additionally, it is crucial to track student academic courses and ensure that course outcomes align with program outcomes. Aligning academic structures with industry expectations is a prime focus in higher education. MyClassBoard's HireIt solution simplifies and optimizes academic program management, helping institutions efficiently handle programs, course structures, assessment tools, and tracking. This enables institutions to shape students for the future and guide them based on performance tracking. We provide organized framework to ensure that every aspect of a student's academic journey is well managed. Colleges offer multiple academic programs, including undergraduate, postgraduate, diploma, and certification courses. Categorize these programs systematically, ensuring efficient management of programs and batches. Each academic program has specific learning goals. HireIt enables institutions to import the default program outcomes by aligning with curriculum objectives or personalize them as per your preferences. Different programs have unique educational benchmarks. You can adapt curricula dynamically based on evolving educational trends. We help you set customized program-specific learning outcomes. This allows for a more tailored and effective learning experience. Education outcomes can also be defined accordingly. Course planning is at the heart of any academic institution. We simplify this process by allowing faculty to create and structure courses, including modules and assessments. Enabling automated lecture scheduling, reducing conflicts. You can also state if the course is theory or practical, number of lectures, tutorials, and if it is half-SEM or full-SEM course. This eliminates manual workload and enhances the academic experience for both students and faculty. Tracking student learning outcomes is crucial for academic success. Create course outcomes according to your preference and also map the correlation status with the respective PO and PSO. This ensures that the defined course outcome aligns with the standards. According to the correlation mapped with the PO and PSO, the average of outcome code can be seen. Elective courses give students flexibility, but manual selection can be inefficient. MyClassBoard streamlines this with a first-come, first-served system for fair elective allocation. Simplify academic management by MyClassBoard.